Supercharge your marketing with the power of WhatsApp. Today, we're diving into how to launch a broadcast campaign using Aisensy, making connecting with your audience easier than ever. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the broadcast section, usually found on the left-hand menu. Next, click on the Create Broadcast Campaign button to start a new campaign. This will open a new screen where you can configure your broadcast settings. Start by giving your campaign a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later. Then, select your target audience by choosing the appropriate contact list or segment you've already created in Aisensy. Now, it's time to craft your message. You can create your WhatsApp message directly in the editor. Be sure to personalize it with relevant information and include a clear call to action. To make your message even more engaging, you can add media files like images or videos. Simply click the attach icon and choose the file you want to include. Once you're happy with your message, choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. If scheduling, select the desired date and time. Finally, review all the details of your campaign one last time and click the Send Broadcast button to launch your campaign. Aisensy will then send your WhatsApp message to all the contacts in your selected audience.